Ukrainian Digital Transformation Minister Mykhaylo Fedorov has published a video of a successful attack by a Ukrainian kamikaze drone on a Russian modernized T-90M tank, which in its most advanced modification costs $4.5 million. An FPV drone hit a Russian tank in the Luhansk region. The video shows the result of the work of operators of the drone strike company AHILLES of the 92nd Separate Mechanized Brigade. According to Oryx analysts, the Russian army has lost at least 33 T-90M main battle tanks since February 2022. Most were completely destroyed, but some were repairable. In addition, several tanks were captured by the Ukrainian Defence Forces. The T-90M is a deep modernization of the T-90. The combat vehicle is equipped with the Relikt dynamic shield, a 125mm smoothbore gun, cord and PKTM machine guns.